Hello friends, once again, welcome to our channel. Today our science topic is the sound and its waves. You know, sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy which enable us to hear by vibration. Once again, sound is a form of energy which enable us to hear by vibration. If there is no vibration, then no sound. Means if there is a vibration, then the sound, and if there is sound, there must be vibration. So we can say vibration and sound are dependent on each other. Now, it produces the two kinds of waves. Sound travel by the waves and it produces two kinds of waves. Longitudinal wave, the waves which move by compression and rarefaction, means in which the compression and rarefaction produces, then the waves longitude produce, and it is in the direction of the particles force movement, in which the particle force in the direction of the particle moves, in the same direction these waves move, and these are produced by C and R, continuously C and R, C and R, and in the direction of the wave force motion. So it is parallel to the reflection and refraction directions. Now the second wave is transversive waves. The waves which is produced by up and down motion. It is perpendicular to the motion of the force of the particles. So it is not in the direction of the longitudinal wave, it is the perpendicular direction to the direction of the longitude wave. It is shown by this way, the T and means up and down motion. So we can know that the sound is produced by waves of two kinds, longitudinal waves and the transversive waves, and by the vibration of the particles of the body. The particles really do not move, but they move the force of the body applied by any other sources. The first particles force to the other particles, and other second particle gives the force to next particle. In this way, the sound reaches to our ear and we hear. Then now the question appears: the sound must need medium to travel. The sound must need a medium to travel. Without a medium, sound cannot travel. Means in the vacuum, the sound cannot travel. Its example is on the moon. We know on the moon there is no any kind of atmosphere. There is vacuum, and so we cannot hear the sound of each other on the moon surface. And now the next topic is properties, its amplitudes, its valency, and it will do in the next period. So I think you must understand this, and if any problem, then ask me. Okay, thanks.